Here we go again, y'all. Round two of this white stuff falling out of the sky. It's got started and he don't know when to quit. Look here. It's already probably about a half inch out here on the back porch. And it's just getting started. Backyard is beginning to get white. And man, it's coming on down. I'm telling you, it's coming on down up here on Stanleytown Hill. If y'all don't know, what time is it anyhow? It's about 4:25. Yeah, and it's getting bad. I mean, it's almost a white out back here in the backyard. Back porch is white. And this cat here, she thinks I'll come out, she's got to come out. Kitty, 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 kitty. Have you lost your little brain, one you get, that one little pea brain you got? She want to make some tracks in the snow. See right there, cat tracks. So we wake up in the morning, we won't think that's possum tracks, that'd be cat tracks. But let's look out here, it's snowing. Here I am trying to make a video of it snowing. She wants to come outside and play in the snow, just like a kid. I want to play, come out here and make a snowball. We'll make a snowman tomorrow if we live in. We'll go sleigh riding and all of that. You hear me, kitty? All right. All right, we're gonna shut this thing off here. It's snowing, it's sleeting, not everything up here on Stanleytown Hill. It's getting bad, getting worse every minute. Y'all just hang loose. And this is on the front side of the house. It is getting potent out on the front side. Sticking on the porch, sticking on the sidewalk, sticking on the road out here too. I tell you, it's gonna get bad. It's supposed to snow all with about 2 o'clock in the morning. About 6 or 7 hours supposed to be like this. And you imagine it'd be 2 foot. It does all of that. And this bear tried to tell me I'm welcome to come in the house. Thank you, Mr. Bear. Well, I'm gonna get inside. It's cold out here. It's probably gonna snow my little camper in where I can't get out. All right. Look at it, boy. It's bad out here. B-A-D-D-D-D, bad. And it's getting worse. I'll keep you updated. All right. Alrighty now, it's about 5 o'clock up here on Stanleytown Hill. And boy, it is coming down. It is white. Oh man, this is about a half hour's time. Look how much difference it's made out here. Man, and I'm getting to get worried. Oh my goodness, it is falling all over my bald head and everything else. Tell you, it's about a half hour time. Look at it, I guess about a half inch, about a half hour's time. Kitty, get back in there. It's too cold and snowing too hard for me to stay out here. I'm gonna get back in the house where it's warm at. Let's look at that snow, like snowing sideways. Snows like it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be bad. I mean bad, it already is. Lord have mercy. All right, this is what it looks like at about 10 past 6. It's done got bad out here. I got my head poked out the front door. And it's snow's uncovered everything up. And it both snow for about 2 o'clock in the morning. But I tell you, it's bad. It's bad and it's gonna get worse. I hope it don't snow. Cover the door up so we can't get out in the morning. I don't know, I tell you. It looks rough out here. Cold, it's about 30 degrees. So everything that comes down is gonna stick. So this is round 2 of the snow here. Look like about every week it's gonna come around. All right, this is where it is here on this. No, this is January. January something. 5th, 6th. It's in as Friday even about 6 o'clock. All right, we'll talk to you later. Y'all have a blessed evening.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please help us grow our channel by hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, and leave us a comment. And remember, subscribing is free to you. God bless you.